Hello everyone. We still continue cinema today, the IFFI's 50th edition. We have seen some of the important films and the sections of IFFI's 50th edition. Now I want to talk about many film goers, many cineasts are not aware is parallelly in every IFFI there is something called Film Bazar is happening. That is being organized by the National Film Development Corporation. In fact, only because of this Film Bazar we come to know, oh, NFDC is still alive. So this year also NFDC is having a Film Bazar. They have very important sections, especially promoting young Indian filmmakers who have finished their film or who are looking for investors or who are looking for marketing. There's a very interesting section, Film Library, and NFDC recommends films. In these films, young filmmakers who have completed or have completed incomplete feature film, they show it to investors and the festival agents. NFDC recommended film section, there are 3 Tamil films. Of these 3 Tamil films, I would like to talk about one Tamil film, which is almost complete, looking for further investment to complete as well as to be shown in International Film Festival. This film is called Kurangal, in English, Pebbles. This film is directed by a very young Tamil director, Vinod Raj, who is from Madurai. I happened to see this film recently. I was stunned by this film. After a very long time, I was so happy to see a Tamil film of this caliber. In my personal opinion, this film deserved to be screened in any major European international film festivals. This film talks about sufferings of women who live in the rural Tamil Nadu in small towns. Very beautifully portrays the journey of a man who is so rough and tough, whose wife went to her parents' place because she could not bear this man's tantrums and torture. This man goes in search of her to her village with his eldest son, who is just 6 years old. The wife had gone with a 2-year-old daughter. The film portrays beautifully the journey of this man to get her wife back from the village. Through this journey, the filmmaker brings out many interesting layers that portrays the ethos of general life in those areas. Very interestingly, till the end of the film, we don't see the woman at all. I would like to register here, this film is going to go places. In my opinion, if it should go. After a very, very long time, I felt so happy to see a Tamil film which is so original and rooted. I would be very happy to talk about this film among not only film students, about all film lovers. It's a film not to be missed. Hopefully this film is going to hit the public through streaming or through theatres as quick as possible. Please remember not to miss this film, Kurangal or Pebbles by Vinod Raj at Tamil Cinema.